Hey YouTube, I'm back. About to do "Open Up My Heart" by Yolanda. This is one of my favorite songs. My husband used to love to hear me sing this song, so I'm gonna sing it for you guys today. I hope you like it. Please do comment, subscribe, whatever you choose to do. And here it goes. Oh, oh, talk to me. Oh, 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 talk to me. Excuse me. Alone in a room, it's just me and you. I feel so lost, 'cause I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my life is so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Oh yes. My hopes and dreams are fading fast. I'm all burned out, and I don't think my strength is gonna last. So I'm crying out, to you. Oh Lord, I know that you're the only one who is able to pull me through. So I know I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems so cloudy. Lord, guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. And so show me how to do things your way. Don't let me make the same mistakes over and over again. And your will be done, and I'll be the one to make sure that it's carried out. And believe I don't want any doubt. That's why I want to talk to you. Yes, I do. And ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems just a little bit cloudy. Lord, you can guide me through. That's why I open up my heart, my heart, my heart, my heart. Oh, all I need to do is just hear a single word from you. Ooh, I open up my heart. Just one word could make a difference in what I do, Lord. Guide me until I'm sure I open my heart. Lord, you just say one word, one word, one word, one word, one word. Open up my heart to you, to you. You're the lover of my soul, the captain of my sea, and I need a word from you. That's why I open up my heart. I hope you guys like it. Thank you.